What's wrong, huh? Huh? Oh, now Mommy's gonna scare you, huh? Oh. Blow, blow, blow.
1, 2.
Yeah.
1, 2. No.
Come on, mister. What's up with you? Mr. Personality, huh? What's up with you? Oh, really? Are you okay? Oh, this is like kickback, like so chill. I guess that's a good thing.
Oh God, he's really just not in the mood right now.
Uh-huh.